Hey guys, I'm Sarah Margaret with Home Nutrition Carolina, and today we're going to be talking about cleaning gutters and sealing. Why exactly are gutters important? Gutters are important because they direct water away from your house to protect siding, foundation, and landscaping. Without gutters, siding can rot, basements can flood, and flower beds can erode. To clean gutters, you'll need a ladder, a garden trowel, a bucket lined with a trash bag, and a rag. If you encounter serious clogs within your gutters, you may need a plumber's snake to clean. So, if you have gutter guards on your gutters, you may be able to go longer between cleanings, but these gutter guards still need to be checked periodically. So the first thing you want to do when cleaning your gutters is first remove the gutter guards, and then use the trowel to scoop any leaves or debris into your trash bag bucket. So when you're done with this step, you can add your collected material to a compost pile if you have one, or just add it with your other lawn debris. So once your gutters have been cleaned, next is to check your downspouts for clogs. And how to do this is you're gonna take a hose and wrap it around with a towel or something, and I'll insert a picture here so you can see what I'm talking about, and place it on the downspout. So then you're gonna have someone turn on the water, and you're gonna make sure water is flowing freely through the downspout. So if your downspout has a clog that can't be necessarily fixed with water pressure, you may need a plumber's snake to fix this. So take a plumber's snake and try and get the debris out, and then you want to take your hose and flush out the remaining debris. If you have a clog that can't be removed with the water pressure or the plumber's snake, it might be best to just take out the downspout completely and remove the clog. So the next thing you want to do is make sure your gutters are not sagging and they're sloped the right way. So you should take a carpenter's level and make sure your gutters are pretty level and there's no sagging. The next thing you're going to do is make sure your gutters have no leaks, and you can do this by running a hose through them and make sure no water is coming out. If you see any leaks, you should mark them and then allow your gutter to dry out thoroughly before patching these leaks with gutter sealant. Caulking or roof cement can also be used to cover your leaks. If sealing a joint in the gutter or downspout doesn't stop the leak, you should disassemble the joint if possible, and then clean the two parts and then reassemble them with sealant. So now that you have fully cleaned and sealed your gutters, you should check them time to time when it's raining. If water is spilling over the edges or running freely from the downspouts, you should make a note to clean them as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Sarah Margaret with Home Nutrition Carolina, and I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!